हम सबको एक थ्रिलर पसंद है, स्पेशली अगर वो चाहे किसी बुक में हो, चाहे वो किसी फिल्म में हो या किसी वेब सीरीज में हो, एंड स्पेशली द वंस जो हमें हमारी सीट्स की एज पे रखते हैं. एंड हेलो मिनी वाज अ वेब सीरीज व्हिच प्रूव टू बी जस्ट दैट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स riveting narrative and of course amazing acting as well. And leaving us on a cliffhanger in season 1, this is now back for its second season. तो second season में क्या craziness होने वाली है, कितना thrill का level up होने वाला है. To talk about it, we have on Punjab Kesari and Navadha Times the lead star cast, Anuja and Mrinal with us. So a warm welcome to both of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Okay, first of all, let me just tell you what a series. मतलब I binged watched it literally.
You did?
I did. पहले मैंने सोचा कि मैं 1-2 एपिसोड्स देखूंगी कि आप लोगों से क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकूं, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बट इट हुक्ड मी फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट एपिसोड इटसेल्फ. और फिर तो मैंने पूरी सीरीज देख ली और मैं मतलब 3 बजे सुबह सोई हूँ.
Oh, that's amazing.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
आपकी रातों की नींद खराब कर दी.
अरे मतलब I really मतलब you guys have left it as at a cliffhanger. कि स्ट्रेंजर कौन है. तो अब मुझे आप ये बताओ, फर्स्टली तो कंग्रेचुलेशंस कि सेकंड सीजन आ रहा है, एंड वी ऑल बिलीव कि सेकंड सीजन किसी भी सीरीज का तब आता है जब द फर्स्ट वन वाज अ सक्सेस. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन दैट.
Thank you.
Now, I please tell me कि अब ये जो क्लिफ हैंगर में आप लोगों ने हमें छोड़ा है स्ट्रेंजर के बारे में, सीजन 2 में थोड़ा हम लोग को ईज आउट करोगे आप लोग, या मतलब सीट्स के एज पे रखना है अभी भी?
इनफैक्ट नॉट ऑन द अब तो खड़ा कर देंगे आपको, मतलब एज पे भी नहीं. You'll have to jump and maybe be like this on the chair.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, we felt that way while shooting. So imagine what you feel when you watch it, maybe.
Yeah, honestly. And Anuja, tell me, you have this very strange relationship with the stranger, जो कि आपको हेल्प भी करता है लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आपको डराता भी है. एट द सेम टाइम आपका कहीं ना कहीं he's नुकसान भी उसने किया है. तो एक कैट एंड माउस गेम आपका सीजन 2 में भी चलेगा उसके साथ में. Where is this journey taking you and us?
I think absolutely what you said in season 1 will continue in season 2, and that relationship with the stranger goes even more further. It goes more advanced. That relationship between Minnie and the stranger, is he my enemy, is he my friend? So that will keep pushing the envelope forward. Yeah, for sure.
I know, because it's like one of those thrillers that book भी जब आप पढ़ते तो आपको लगता है अच्छा अब ऐसा होगा, and the next moment the writer decides to tell you कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Whatever you were thinking.
The book also.
I haven't read the book, but every other thriller that you think about, या कोई भी मूवी, आपको जहां पर लगता है कि as an audience you're so smart, अब ऐसा होने वाला है, that is the moment when the writer tells you no actually I'm smarter. तो ये इस सीरीज में ऐसा ही हुआ है, and so we are expect. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल लगा है.
That's the idea. मतलब वही है कि वो predictable ना हो जाए, keep you on the edge of the seat guessing कि क्या होने वाला है.
Correct. But tell me, मृणाल, डैनी और मिनी की जो स्टोरी है या उनका जो लव एंगल है वो कितना इफेक्ट अब सीजन 2 में होगा बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रेंजर, क्योंकि पहले एक थोड़ा सा एंड में आया था.
So obviously, as you've seen, they're together at the end of the first season.
Yes.
You've invested more in them. You know them. They're at a certain level, stage in their relationship. So obviously, when things go wrong, they'll affect you even more, and because the stakes are high. So of course, it starts on a great note. They've moved in together, or I don't think they're also thinking to get into stuff like that again. Thinking all of that is behind. That's done. But तूफान आने वाला है.
No, honestly, speaking of Tufan, trailer जो again you guys teased us with a little teaser, a little trailer, मतलब not revealing much, but I found it to be crazier and more dangerous than season 1.
Yes.
Oh my God, absolutely.
Yeah, more twisted, more dangerous, crazier, wilder, scarier.
I know. But Anuja, I saw 2 mysteries that have to be revealed in season 1. एक तो of course कि stranger कौन है और वो क्यों आपको help and जो भी परेशान कर रहा है. The other is the pills that you are supposed to take. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं उसका भी एक intrigue create किया गया है कि you were unwell about something and there are pills that your parents want to take which they say ki vitamins ki pill hai. So iske bhi under koi secret hai?
Yes, absolutely. And season 2 mein, I think that will be a theme that we'll learn more about Rivana. In that, people forget it's a psychological thriller. So there is a psychological aspect of what's going on with Minnie and her life. So that's definitely going to be explored more in season 2. The audience will get to see more answers to that.
Okay, great. Because up till now, even I was wondering, 15 episodes ho gaye, and there is only a mention about the pills, but why the pills? So hopefully in season 2, that's going to be answered as well.
Yes, it will be.
Okay, we didn't get to speak, of course, when this first season came, but I want to ask the both of you, aap on board kaise aaye, and what was the one thing that clicked to both of you to accept your roles?
That's a good question. Mrinal, you want to go?
It sounded exciting. Actually, we shot it really long back. 2018 is when we shot this.
Mm-hmm.
We've been associated with it for a while. It's taken some time of our lives, if I say so. So 2018 we shot this, and on paper sounded very exciting. Again, it was a young show, a thriller, a fast-paced thriller. So yes, it had everything for me to want to be a part of it.
Okay, and what about you, Anuja?
Nidhi, I was struggling for work, and I'm being very honest. Anytime anyone asks me this question, I feel like there's no need to sugarcoat it. So I'll tell you the truth. I was working as a waitress in New York City.
Okay.
And I had no prospects. I was auditioning. I'd done a lot of theater in New York. It's not a joke. It's not a secret that I'm from the US. So I'm in Mumbai for the first time. I'm quite new. I have a lot of family that's been in the industry for a while, but I'm very new. I have no idea. So I stood in line like everybody else. I auditioned like everybody else. And I got a call, and somehow there was some interest in me for the role. And then after a few meetings, I realized, oh my God, I think that this might be something I might be able to get. And when I finally met with everybody, and obviously Mr. Goldie Bell and Nova Neil and everybody that had kind of batted for me in this whole process with at that time Applause. Now we're on MX, but it was it was like a slow birth to get this show out, and I said, if this is my chance, I'm an actress and I want to act, I'm just going to go and jump and take it and try my very, very best. So it was an honor. And at that time, I didn't have any idea it would become what it became.
At all. No, but let me tell you, the baby is well delivered.
Yeah, good. It was a long birth.
I hope it grows up well. Though.
I know. We are rooting for that. But as you said, of course, you're based out of the US, and Mrinal, aap bhi Mumbai kar nahi hai. So you both came to this city to fulfill your dreams. And as you said, you are from a background, your father was a very well-known child artist, very famous. And of course, your auntie is also a national award winner. तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ, you came to Mumbai to fulfill your dreams, and आपकी journey अभी तक आपको कैसी लगती है? How fulfilling do you find your journey, both of you?
Go for it.
I think that if it wasn't for OTT and platforms like MX or these amazing new platforms coming out, then I would have had a rough run of it, maybe. Being such an outsider. I call myself an outsider because I'm from the US. So, people might not like that tag, considering my father and my I say Atya because I'm Marathi. So my Pallavi Atya. But, I think this OTT space has been very kind to me because I've done this and then I've got an amazing opportunity doing Broken But Beautiful too. So I cannot say that it's been horribly challenging. Obviously, it has its challenges, being that I have to fight a little bit harder, making people believe that I can do something in India, being raised and born in the US. But I'm so grateful for this whole space to make a little spot for myself, that Anuja can maybe make a little spot for herself in this OTT world that has come out in the last few years. It's a treasure trove for actors like me. Who just want to just show people what we can do through our just grit and basic hard work. That's all it is.
Correct. And what's your take on it, Mrinal?
No, definitely. I was always performing since very early. I was, Delhi University. I was doing street plays and stuff, and I was also a sportsman. So it was just all about that for me. So it's been a progress. It's been a constant progress, doing different kind of things. And yes, OTT, aane se, and players like MX Player on and all the other platforms, it's opened up. You can work with different people. Different directors are making different stories. Different stories are being told.
Yeah.
It's a great time, and you evolve as an actor. You evolve at your work. When you get opportunity to work with different kind of people, and so it's really helped in the progress or in the journey, so to say. Having all of these players coming and making all the different kind of shows. I've been very fortunate to work with really good people through the OTT. I got to play Mahesh Mandarekar and Deepti Nawal's son last year. So those were like two legendary people I worked with and felt surreal. So, people, technicians, directors coming together, and 2-3 साल पहले तक नहीं होता था, मतलब उससे like मैंने एक टीवी Star Plus पे I did a 20 episode series in 2015-16. So at that time हम ऐसा देखते थे कि ऐसी कोई सीरीज या ऐसा ऑफ बीट कुछ करने को मिले.
Correct.
इधर ऐसा टेलीविजन है या आपका मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा है. So there was never a middle ground. There were so many people जो were waiting to show their talent.
Yeah.
And not just actors, just everybody, cameramen, technicians, musicians. So this has been great, and and it looks like it's going in a great direction also.
Yeah, and especially the trajectory here, abhi, India mein OTT ki, because the kind of content all of us are consuming and obviously want to consume. So it has opened a lot of opportunities, as both of you said, for a lot of people to showcase their talents. Because har kisi ko 70 mm ki screen nahi milti hai. There are a lot of people who would not want to work in a soap opera. Sorry?
अब तो किसी को नहीं मिल रही है.
अब तो किसी को नहीं मिल रही है. But talking of OTT, there was a time where it was uncensored, but now the INB ministry is, kind of wanting to put their acts on it. बहुत सारी controversy भी अब आ रही है बहुत सारी series को लेके. So what do you feel as performers? What is your take as performers on this?
Without sounding quite cheesy, I'll just make a parallel to, because I'm from the US, we have obviously the freedom of speech. And so I think that, we talk about as artists, we have freedom of expression. We write these stories because we want to give a point across. Hello Mini is about, season 1 was about a young girl discovering every part of herself, not just work, not just relationships, but maybe her sexuality as well, maybe her coming into womanhood as well. Season 2, it's going forward with living with a boy and having this love and this new relationship. So this comes with certain elements that we have to depict in order to push the story forward, right?
Yeah.
So, I think for me, it's like, it's too early to say what this is actually going to turn into, but we do everything based on the story that we're trying to tell. And that's at the end of it. That's all our mission is, to make sure that we're honoring what we're telling in terms of the narrative.
And some stories need certain kinds of words, or so to say, abuses or specific, any sort of anything which might not be so pleasing to the eye, because in reality there is so much that is not pleasing to the eye. And as actors, that's very challenging and fun to do also, because you tap into things you don't in normal life. Normal life mein hum usse bachte hue chalte hain. You usually do not want to just see somebody die or something really crazy happen.
Yeah.
But you have to play those things which you've never really felt in your life, and that gets challenging, and that is where we explore, our craft or what we do. So it's great like that. But yes, certain stories, so certain things need things to be told in a certain way.
Yeah.
Having said that, it should be responsibly shown as well. And the freedom to create should be there. But yeah, there shouldn't be just stuff made for the heck of it and, cheap, vulgar stuff.
Yeah, it should blend
between OTT channels which we don't even know of. Regulations unke liye bhi hain, because they are making so much of this cringe-worthy stuff you can't really watch also. But wo bhi free apps hain, aur baki jo population hai, they know about that app and they're watching them. You and me might not watch it. So ये regulations उनके लिए भी लागू होते हैं. So all in all, responsibly it should be taken care of.
Correct. And also it's, viewers also has that kind of liberty कि उसको वो देखना है नहीं देखना है. So basically it's like a whole buffet. You pick what you want and you stick on to what you like. And if you don't, आपको कुछ गलत लग रहा है, आप उसको मत देखो. तो वो, I think it's a two-way street that way. Okay. Now coming back to Hello Mini, how was it working together?
Oh, बहुत difficult.
Don't tell me because screen में देख के बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं लगा. You were like in sync with your chemistries.
Oh, that's great. तो आपको season 2 में और मजा आएगा because again they've left it at
I think season 2, I think that so much had changed with the pandemic and that we were shooting in this new scenario where we're all in the same hotel and everything. Actually, Mrinal was one of those constants for me because of the connection we made in season 1 that I could latch onto and feel some normalcy. So I think season 2, shooting it with having Mrinal on board was like my kind of safety net type of guy. So I clung on to him. I was like, Mrinal, we just have to keep each other sane through this. And so I loved having him around for it.
Great.
Same. I think with two people taking it forward in that respect. The team was different director, different everybody. But I think everybody was having their own battles and finding it difficult in their own ways. But yeah, it was good to have her there also. Just like something familiar.
Great. Yeah. Okay. Now, as Anuja, you mentioned earlier that, you were struggling for work and obviously Mumbai is a struggle in itself. Mrinal, you've been here for some time. मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी, the series was awarded as one of the most best thrillers. So what does that kind of recognition mean to the both of you?
I'm on a daily basis, I'm humbled by this recognition that I'm feeling or that I'm seeing. And it's a funny story, but I've actually never seen my own hoarding ever.
Okay.
No, not for season 1 of Mini, not for Broken, and now that I'm in the US, probably not for season 2 of Mini. So for me, it's all theoretical, like, oh my God. And I know people watch it and I know people write to me, but I've never felt it in front of my face. So everything has been elusive in a way for me. But that keeps me, I think, very humble because my life is no different. All I do is I wake up every day. I try my best to do good at my job. I'm very earnest with my days. Sometimes I'll come home and say I did not feel good in that scene or in that moment. I just wish I could have done it again. I have those feelings every single day because people somehow love what I've done and I just want to keep making them proud. So that's all I feel.
Okay. And what about you, Mrinal?
Yeah, same. I think that's the idea, to come back every day and, just focus on what you're supposed to do. It's great for the show and the makers. Again, you can give the credit to MX Player and the makers to produce something like this, which is pretty brave in its own respect. So yes, all the credit goes to them. Yeah, for us, it's it feels happy, but then you don't really keep it with you. You let it go in a way.
Yeah.
Then focus on what you're supposed to do.
Or also because of the love of season 1, we wanted to make sure that we just gave, we did even more to give them what they wanted. So, that's also there somewhere.
Yeah, and it is well received. Let me assure you, it is very well received. All the honesty that you put behind your work, it showed on screen. And of course, the result is there for everybody to see. And I'm pretty sure and confident that season 2 will be utna hi successful hoga. And maybe you guys come up with season 3 because, of course, the book is also a trilogy. So maybe season 3 is also in the making.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the last question. Of course, there is a lot of recognition for both of you now post the success of the series. What next? Or what would you love to do next?
I cannot really say exactly what I'm doing next, but I think in another week or so it'll be kind of announced. But whatever came for me next, by the grace of God, I'm so excited to share with everybody because it's pulled me out of Mumbai and back here for a bit. But I'm just itching to also let these people know what I've been up to. But it's quite cool. So I'll say stay tuned, maybe.
Okay, yeah.
In store, exciting times in store.
Yeah, I know. And what about you, Mrinal?
So I've just finished a series. It's called His Story. It's going to be on Alt Z5 again. Ding is making it. The guys who made Asur.
Okay.
Very exciting story. Again, great set of people. So it has Satyadeep Mishra in it. It has Priyamani in it. So it's a beautiful story revolving around the three of us, and you should see it really soon. I think the trailers and stuff will start coming out very soon.
Okay, great. So it was wonderful talking to both of you, and I wish you all the luck for season 2, and of course whatever next is in your kitty, and keep entertaining us with your charm, with of course your skills as actors, and wishing you all the best, and please keep safe in this tough time.
You as well, and take good care, Nidhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.